Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rubal Bhatia Mathematics. In this video, we will be solving MCQs of Chapter 1, Real Numbers for CBSE Board. It is strictly based on the latest circular given by CBSE Board in July 2021. So, let's get started. The first question is, has the rational number 441 by 2 power 2, 5 power 7, 7 power 2 a terminating or non-terminating decimal representation? The options are terminating, non-terminating, neither and not. Since, check this, 441 by 2 power 2, 5 power 7 power 2. Since in the denominator 7 is there, so डिनोमिनेटर इज़ नॉट ऑफ द फॉर्म. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चीज़ होनी चाहिए? डिनोमिनेटर में सिर्फ 2 और 5 होने चाहिए टर्मिनेटिंग के लिए सिर्फ 2 एंड 5 होना चाहिए. अब यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? वी हैव 7 पार्ट 2. सिंस वी हैव 7 पार्ट 2, सो द आंसर इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. टर्मिनेटिंग के लिए we should have only 2 and 5 terms. Since in this given question we have 7 also, so the answer is non-terminating. Now the second question is, the decimal expansion of the rational number 43 by 2 power 4, 5 power 3 will terminate after how many places of the decimal? टर्मिनेट कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस के बाद होगा? देयर इज़ नो नीड फॉर सॉल्विंग द होल क्वेश्चन, वील जस्ट सॉल्व इट बाय ट्रिक. द पावर ऑफ 2 इज 2 की पावर है 4 एंड द पावर ऑफ 5 इज 3. विच इज़ हाइएस्ट अमंग बोथ ऑफ देम? द हाइएस्ट अमंग बोथ ऑफ देम इज 4. हाइएस्ट पावर, हम सिर्फ टर्मिनेटिंग के लिए हाइएस्ट पावर चेक करेंगे. द हाइएस्ट पावर इज 4, सो द आंसर इज 4. टर्मिनेटिंग सॉल्व करना है हमें, पूरा सॉल्व करने की देयर इज नो नीड फॉर रिक्वायरमेंट. विल जस्ट लुक एट द पावर 4 and 3, which is the highest power. That's going to be the answer. Now the third question is 7 3. This is factor 3 7 3 box 2 and then again box. For this box we multiply both of them. We multiply the terms below the box. बॉक्स के नीचे जितनी भी टर्म्स हों उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. इस बॉक्स के नीचे द टर्म्स आर 3 and 7, so multiply both of them. The answer is 21. Now again in this box, for this box multiply the term below them. The term below them are 2 and 21. Multiply them and attain the answer. So the answer is 21 and 42. That is option A. Now the fourth question is, the sum of exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of 196 is. First of all, find the factors of 196. Since it is even number, so it is going to be divisible by 2. 2 into 9, 18, and then 16, 8. Again divisible by 2, 49. Then by 7, 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 1. 196 can be represented as 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 power 2 and 7 power 2. We need to find the sum of exponent. The sum of exponent. Sum of exponents. Sum is addition and exponent is power. The power of 2 is 2 and the power of 2 is 2. The answer is 2 plus 2, 4. That is option B. The sum of exponents of prime factors of 196 is, first of all find the prime factorization of 196, then find the sum. Add both the powers. 2 plus 2, that is 4. The channel has separate videos on every question, which includes previous year question and important question. Watch them and give your comments in the comment section given below. Now the next question is, A rational number in its decimal expansion is 327.7081. It is 327.7081. What would be the prime factors of q when the number is expressed in the p by q form? p by q form के लिए first of all check this. This is terminating. 0.7081. This one is terminating. अगर ये terminating है then the denominator q is the form of 2 की power n and 5 की power n. We have discussed the same thing in question number 1 कि अगर terminating है तो q के पास क्या होंगे, 2 और 5 ही factors होंगे. तो 2 q किस फॉर्म में होगा, 2 power m and 5 की power n. So the answer of this question is that is D option 2 and 5. Now the next question is the total number of factors of a prime number is. प्राइम नंबर के कितने फैक्टर्स होंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्राइम नंबर का फैक्टर एक होता है 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ, और एक वो नंबर खुद. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 के क्या फैक्टर्स होंगे? 2 का फैक्टर्स होगा 1 एंड 2. उसके क्या होगा? एक 1 every number is divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is 2. So the total number of factors is 2. Count the numbers 1 and 2. Now the seventh question is the HCF and LCM of 12, 21 and 15 respectively are. We need to find the HCF and LCM. First of all, find the prime factorization of 12, 21 and 15. 12 is 2, 6, 2, 3 and 3, 1. 3 into 7, 7, 1. 3 into 5, 15, 5 into 1. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 21 is written as 3 into 7. Write 3 below 3 so that collecting them becomes easy. 3 को 3 के ही नीचे लिखना ताकि उनको जब हम कलेक्ट करें, पेयरिंग बनाएं तो वो ईजी हो जाए. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So don't write 3 here, write just 3 below 3 so that collecting them becomes easy. Now HCF is the common factor, highest common factor. Common. First of all, check what is common among them. The common among them is just 3. Now the LCM is write 3 into remaining terms, 2 into 2, 7 into 5. 7 into 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 7, 140. 3 into 140, that is 420. Now the answer is HCF is 3 and LCM is 420. Now go through the options. 3 and 420 is in option number C, that is 3 and 420. Now 8th question, what is the product or sum of rational and irrational number? Product or sum को हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि रेशनल और इरेशनल नंबर का क्या होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट सपोज कर लेते हैं, मैं डायरेक्टली भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं बट आई एम गिविंग ए लिटिल एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट इट. लेट रेशनल नंबर बी 2 एंड इरेशनल नंबर बी √5, √3, एनीथिंग यू कैन टेक. द प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन बाय, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कर देते 2 into √5, दैट इज 2 √5. ये क्या है? इरेशनल है. जिसके साथ भी रूट आ जाए और रूट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ना हो, दैट नंबर इज इरेशनल. नाउ सम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. 2 + √5, दैट इज ऑल्सो इरेशनल. नाउ वील गो थ्रू द ऑप्शंस. द ऑप्शंस आर both rational and irrational. No. Rational, irrational, none of these. Since we got both irrational, so the answer is option C, that is irrational. Now we will be solving the remaining questions in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like the video and give your feedback in the comment section given below. Take care. Have a nice day.